Have you seen the bold claims behind Dr. Groot's Hair and Scalp Dynamic Duo Set? This product promises some pretty big results, like boosting scalp hydration by 169% in just 2 weeks, cutting hair loss from breakage by up to 80%, and even reducing scalp redness. With numbers like these, it's hard not to be curious, but the real question is, does it actually deliver what it says? Let's take a closer look at what's inside and what people are really experiencing. First, on the positive side, the Duo Set includes some solid, science-backed ingredients. Salicylic acid helps exfoliate the scalp and clear buildup. Panthenol is known for its moisturizing and strengthening properties. Niacinamide supports scalp health, and arginine may improve blood circulation to hair follicles. The brand also provides clear step-by-step usage instructions, which makes it simple for anyone to follow a proper routine. It's available on Amazon, which means you get the advantage of safer purchasing, and there's even customer support listed with an email and phone number, something you don't always find with hair care brands. But here's where things get a bit tricky. Despite the claims of having more than 560+ ratings, it's hard to track down verified reviews on trustworthy platforms, which raises a red flag. On Reddit and other discussion boards, feedback is mixed. Some users mention improvements in scalp health, while others say they didn't notice any major changes. That inconsistency makes it difficult to know whether this set really works for everyone or if the results are hit and miss depending on your hair type and scalp condition. So, is Dr. Groot's Hair and Scalp Dynamic Duo Set a legit breakthrough or just another overhyped product? The answer seems to fall somewhere in the middle. It shows potential, but the lack of solid reviews means you'll need to try it yourself to know for sure. If you want to check it out, the product is tagged in this video.